Hi all, in this tutorial series I'm going to teach you how we will be make a Django based basic website and that will be containing login functionalities, and also how can you make a built-in auth module of Django to create sign up page, logout functionalities. So all this I will be taking you through in this small series of tutorials. So once we create a project in Django here, our directory structure will be like this. I show you here. So this will be our directory structure, and now let me explain you this one by one. So we will create a virtual environment that you see here. Uh, Once we create a virtual environment, then within that we will be creating one project name. Project name can be anything, but like in this demonstration, I will be creating CTech as a project, and then there will be one application. We will install one app, and the name of app will be CTech TechS accounts. Within this, we will be having various Python files, but the main files that we will be working on will be apps.py, urls.py, and views.py. Same way, this is our project main code directory, and within this there is settings, urls.py, and few other files, but we will be working with these two mainly. And then we will be creating one templates directory within our this main app directory, and under this templates we will be keeping our standard HTML files that will be called to showcase the website. And ultimately, using the Django inbuilt auth module, we'll be creating one registration directory, and within this registration directory again we'll be keeping some default HTML files which are being used to utilize the login, logout, and sign up functions of Django. So this is the complete directory structure that we will be creating by end of this tutorial video series. And probably you really need to take a look on this, because this is something we will be building. And once we build this complete project, and now I will show you how our website will looks like. So our website will look like, let me pull up the browser here, and then I will pull in my website here. So you see here, this is a small website. So after the end of this particular video series, we will end up with this website. And here you see there are various hyperlinks that I have created, a small standard HTML page, and then you can see here login. If we go to login, it brings us the login screen. If I enter anything, let's say if the username do not exist on database, then you try to log in and you get the error. And if you have created one user, like let's say, then I will cascade this to my home screen again. Like I enter here, and you see, so this is the project that we'll be building. So this is, I think, a really good exercise, going to be a good exercise for you all who are watching this video series, that how you can build a small website. And later I will keep creating such series to go to the complex version of it, but for now this is the one that we'll be working on. And apart from it, I just want to add one more thing, that about the virtual environment. If you are not familiar with virtual environment, then you can take a look on my previous video series where I have demonstrated how you install Python and how you can create virtual environments. So stay tuned and keep watching, and thank you very much for watching this video.